Hello everyone, welcome back to the class. I hope you all keeping well. Today we are going to learn about Chandragupta Maurya, who was the founder of the Mauryan Empire, and the first ruler of the dynasty was Chandragupta Maurya. He overthrew Dhanananda, the last Nanda ruler, in 321 BCE. So, who was the last Nanda ruler? That was Dhanananda. To this end, he was advised by Chanakya. So, in order to defeat Dhanananda, Chandragupta Maurya was advised by Chanakya. Who is Chanakya? Chanakya is also known as Vishnu Gupta or Kautilya, and he was a learned Brahmin. He taught in a university of Takshashila in northwest India, and he was also a learned man or learned Brahmin, and also he taught in a university called Takshashila. In a previous class we have already learned about Kautilya. Who was Kautilya? So in previous class we learned that one of the main literary sources from which we get the information about the age of Mauryas was Arthashastra. So Arthashastra was written by Kautilya. So that is what we have learned in a previous class. The next, Chandragupta first conquered Magadha. After consolidating his position in Magadha, he defeated the Greek governor and entered the Greek rule in Punjab. So, Chandragupta first conquered Magadha. He conquered Magadha after consolidating. Consolidating means combine into one unit. So he combined all kingdoms together in one, and he defeated the Greek governor and entered the Greek rule in Punjab. He defeated the Greek governor and in Punjab was governed by Greek, and he made an end to the Greek rule in Punjab. Then he conquered other parts of northern India. After conquering in Punjab, he also conquered other parts of northern India. Chandragupta Maurya also brought all those kingdoms and tribes weakened by Alexander's invasion under his control. So, through the Alexander's invasion, many of the kingdoms and tribes were weakened. They lost their powers. So, that also he made it under his control. So this is what we learned from today's class, and we will be continuing with the chapter, and we will be learning more things. All of you please go through your textbook and learn more. This is for today. Bye bye.